Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to find your digital code on Amazon. Whether you've purchased a game, software, or a gift card, locating that digital code is essential for redeeming your purchase, and I'll walk you through exactly where to find it. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From that menu, click on Orders. This will take you to a page displaying all your recent and past purchases. Now, although I don't have any digital code orders in my account right now, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do next. Once you're on the Orders page, you'll want to search for the specific digital purchase you made. This could be anything from a video game download code, software license, or even a gift card. Use the search bar or scroll through your order history to locate it. When you find the order, click on it to open the full order details. This is where Amazon typically displays additional information about your purchase. Look carefully at this page because you should see an option that says View Code, Redeem Now, or a similar link that provides access to your code or digital details. Click on that option to reveal your digital code. This code is what you'll use to activate or redeem your purchase on the appropriate platform. However, if you don't see the code displayed in your order details, don't worry. Amazon often sends digital codes directly to your email as well. So the next step is to open your email inbox, the one associated with your Amazon account. In the search bar of your email, type in something like Amazon Digital Purchase or the name of the item you bought. This should help you quickly locate the relevant email. Once you find the email from Amazon, open it up. Inside, you should see the digital code clearly displayed, or there might be a link or redemption button that you can click. Some emails will have a direct button that takes you to the redemption page, making the process even smoother. Either way, your code will be right there waiting for you. And that's it. You've now located your digital code on Amazon, either through your order history or your email inbox. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.